दोस्तों, अगर आप बाज़ार में अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं तो अभी जुड़े एंजल ब्रोकिंग के साथ में, क्योंकि यहाँ आपको मिलती है एक अच्छी एडवाइस और भरोसेमंद सर्विस, और यहाँ अकाउंट ओपन करना भी है बिल्कुल फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट। तो आज ही जुड़े एंजल ब्रोकिंग के साथ में। अकाउंट ओपनिंग लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है। आज ही अपना अकाउंट ओपन कराएं।
चैनल टीवी 18 पर आपको जुड़ते हुए दिखेंगे इंटरिम एमडी श्री राजीव आहूजा साहब आरबीएल बैंक के। देखते हैं क्या चर्चाएं हो रही हैं। ध्यान दीजिए, ये एक बहुत अहम काउंटर होगा आज के लिए।
Yeah. So, Lata, we have a retail LCR, which is really what defines the retailization. It's above 40%. It was below 30% 18 months ago. In fact, 80 to 90 rupees of every incremental deposit over the last 18 months has been from retail deposits. And I think over and above that, we have a lot of branch banking business.
The percentage of bulk deposits?
Bulk deposit percentage is, in my view, less than 30% now. And I'm sorry, I may be corrected, but okay. I know that all our growth, and we've grown almost our deposit book by 35% in the last 18 months. I remember March 20 very well, Lata. It was a very traumatic period for many banks. But from that point to today, our deposit business has grown 35%. Almost 80 to 90% of that has been retail. So the ratios will tell. But I think that's the strength of the bank. And we carry, Lata, between 13,000 to 15,000 crore surplus liquidity at any time. Now, that surplus liquidity is only because our deposit accretion is very strong. In fact, we have been paying off a lot of, and we've not been taking a lot of corporate deposits because our retail footprint is doing quite well. So I don't think on that count there is anything we see a concern. And to me, actually, the distribution expansion, the branch expansion, technology strengths are leading to this kind of granularity and growth in retail deposits.
Fair enough. Just a final question. When is the final selection of the CEO? I guess there will be a new search committee and stuff like that. When is that?
Yeah, so Lata, I think these are normal processes which the board has to follow. I mean, look, at the end of the day, there is a formal process and then it goes to the RBI.
Yeah, but no timeline you can give us?
Typically, Lata, all of this should take between 4 to 5 months, is my guess. That's how the regulator works. The board has to obviously be very objective in their search criteria. They have to do their evaluation. And frankly, then it goes to the RBI. So I am not seriously focused on that.
Yes.
My focus remains on the bank, the progress, and our strategy. And to me, that's the most important thing. That the board, the NRC, and the RBI will take care of. And I'm sure they will do the right thing. Lata, let me be frank. The RBI and the nominee decided to get me on as an interim MD and CEO because I've been with the bank from day one. I know the strengths and I know the gaps and I know what needs to be fixed. So that is my only purpose for the next 6 months, to get that thing done strongly so that we are on a better footing FY23.
Okay, Rajiv, one last question on my side as well, and I give it to you that despite all the perceived problems, even the last quarters, the bank's deposit growth was quite good. I think it was 17%. I think it's 75,000 crore deposit. If you can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm confident that there's going to be no problem on that, because it's all about sentiment. Sentiment gets hit, people want to take out the deposits. That normally is the first thing that people do.
So Anuj, so we are always prepared, so at the end of the day, as a bank, you're prepared from the deposit structure, you're prepared from liquidity, your operations, your IT infrastructure, your ATMs. So we are rock solid there. And let me say, we were battle tested last year between March and June. I mean, if you remember that was a more trying period, lockdowns and no news on what was going to happen. So I'm not perturbed. We are obviously going to handle it. The RBI is squarely with the bank. The RBI has told the board and us that this is all about the performance of the bank going forward. And I don't see any issues for any stakeholder of the bank, either today or tomorrow.
Okay. Well, all the very best, Rajiv. We do hope you and RBL are on solid ground and get to even more solid ground. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.